If you're looking to build a practical, tactical backpack setup without overspending, you're in the right place. In this video, we're putting together the ultimate tactical backpack loadout for under $300, featuring versatile gear that focuses on organization, preparedness, first aid, hydration, and everyday utility. From the trusted North American Rescue CAT Combat Application Tourniquet Gen 7 and the spacious REEBOW Gear Military Tactical Backpack to Molle pouches, a multi-tool, and emergency essentials, we'll show you how to maximize functionality while staying within budget, complete with exact price links for every item. Number 1. Severe bleeding demands immediate action. Seconds matter. In the field, delay can change everything. Meet the North American Rescue CAT Gen 7, the trusted tourniquet built for critical emergencies. One-handed operation makes fast response possible alone, perfect for military, first responders, and outdoor rescue. Compact enough for every trauma, kit, and pack. Designed to stop life-threatening extremity bleeding quickly, the patented band system delivers true circumferential pressure. That means tighter control and more effective occlusion. The reinforced windlass provides strength under pressure. Aggressive ribbing improves grip, even in harsh conditions. The single routing buckle speeds application and reduces slack. Fewer turns, faster tightening, simpler training for teams. The stabilization plate helps maintain secure pressure. The windlass clip locks everything firmly in place. A writable strap records the application time clearly. Red tip technology gives instant visual guidance during use. That extra clarity matters under stress and low light. Built for all-weather performance, from heat to cold. The Gen 7 design supports reliable field durability. Trusted by the U.S. Army since 2005. Used by conventional and special operation forces alike. Proven 100% effective in Army surgical research tests. Recommended for tactical combat casualty care protocols. This is why professionals keep it within reach. When emergency strikes, preparedness becomes confidence. Equip your kit with proven hemorrhage control. Choose the tourniquet professionals' trust in the toughest moments. North American Rescue CAT Gen 7 ready when it counts. Number 2. Tired of water bottles bouncing around on the trail? Loose gear slows you down and gets annoying fast. When your bottle slips, every step feels less focused. And basic holders usually flop, tear, or soak through. That's why you need a pouch built for action. Meet the Gonex Tactical Molle Water Bottle Pouch. Simple, clean design with no extra accessory pouch. The open-top drawstring adjusts to different bottle sizes. Even your umbrella can fit when you need it. Its 900D Oxford fabric is made to take abuse. Water repellent, wear-resistant, and ready for harsh conditions. Built with strong stitching for serious everyday durability. The inner lining uses 210D waterproof nylon fabric, so your gear stays protected from moisture and splashes. The mesh bottom helps with breathability and drainage. No more trapped water sitting inside after use. Molle compatibility keeps it locked onto your backpack. No swinging, no sagging, no distracting movement. It stays tight whether you're walking, hiking, or jogging. 2 buckles make it easy to hang on your pack. That means quick access without digging through your bag. Before, your bottle felt loose and inconvenient. Now, it rides secure, compact, and easy to grab. Before, cheap holders wore out too quickly. Now, you get rugged protection that matches outdoor demands. Before, carrying water was another small hassle. Now, it becomes one less thing to think about. For hikers, tactical users, and outdoor travelers, it just makes sense. Reliable, practical, and built to stay put. Choose Gonex and carry your bottle the smarter way. Number 3. On duty, every second counts, but fumbling wastes time. Loose cuff storage can slow response when tension rises. Bulky holders may sag, shift, or interfere with movement. That means frustration during fast checks and urgent restraint. You need a cuff pouch that stays ready. This Molle handcuff holster solves that with rapid access. Its single retention strap keeps cuffs secure and reachable. Remove the inner Velcro strap for open-top convenience. That gives you faster access when every moment matters. The classic Molle design mounts easily to your gear. It fits tactical belts, vests, and PALS systems. You can attach it to belts up to 2 inches. No awkward shifting, no wasted motion, no clutter. Built for demanding professionals, it supports daily operational use. It carries chain, hinged, folding, rigid, and more. One pouch covers nearly every common handcuff style. It also works for dip cans and similar items. Adjustable elastic retention adapts to different sizes smoothly, so your gear stays tight, stable, and dependable. Made from durable nylon, it resists abrasion and tearing. The lightweight build helps reduce unnecessary load on duty. Rigid support keeps the pouch from sagging or deforming. That means cleaner carry and better long-term performance. Compact dimensions make it easy to integrate anywhere. It blends into your tactical setup without bulk. For law enforcement and security, reliability is non-negotiable. This pouch delivers quick response, secure carry, and control. You move faster, stay organized, and work with confidence. Choose a cuff holder built for real duty demands. Upgrade your loadout with dependable access every single shift. Number 4. Stop carrying bulky tools. Meet your pocket-sized problem solver. This multi-tool packs serious power into one compact body. Reason 1. The Damascus blade cuts fast, clean, and confidently. Its 440C steel core brings sharpness you can truly feel. Corrosion resistance means it stays ready through rough outdoor conditions. No flimsy edge here, just durable performance built for action. Reason 2. It's an all-in-one tool made for versatility. You get pliers, wire cutters, scissors, screwdrivers, files, and more. From camping fixes to DIY repairs, it handles daily surprises. The replaceable cutter and interchangeable heads add even more value. Need to tighten, trim, cut, or file? It's covered. One tool replaces a whole drawer of scattered gear. Reason 3. Portability makes it effortless to carry anywhere. The foldable design slips easily into a bag or car. A durable nylon sheath keeps everything organized and accessible. Bits and blades store neatly, so you're always prepared. Lightweight enough for travel, tough enough for real work. That's the kind of convenience outdoor users actually appreciate. It's ideal for camping trips, backyard projects, and emergency repairs. Hikers, DIYers, and everyday carry fans will love this upgrade. The stainless steel body adds strength without sacrificing portability. The hardwire cutter tackles tougher jobs with surprising confidence. Every detail feels designed for people who get things done. Whether at home or outdoors, this tool earns its place. It also makes a smart gift for practical men and women. Useful, rugged, and impressive. What more could you want? If you need reliability, this multi-tool delivers it fast. If you want versatility, this set brings it all together. If you value portability, this is the one to grab. Order now and upgrade your everyday carry with confidence. Number 5. A pair of glasses faces the wild, unguarded. Then a tactical shell snaps into the spotlight. Meet the ONETIGRIS hard shell eyeglasses case. Built with 1000D nylon for rugged outdoor protection. It resists crushing, pressure, and everyday impact. Your lenses stay safe, even inside a packed bag. Open the zipper, and softness takes over. The interior lining cushions frames like a velvet shield. No scratching, no sliding, no careless damage. Just a secure fit for glasses on the move. Sunglasses for the trail? Reading glasses for campfire maps. This case handles them all with confidence. Compact enough for daily carry, tough enough for expeditions. Clip it to your belt for instant access. Mount it on your vest, pack, or Molle gear. Hook and loop, D-rings, or rear clip your choice. No digging through pockets when seconds matter. Grab your eyewear fast, wherever adventure leads. The included ONETIGRIS patch adds a personal tactical touch. It looks sharp, rugged, and mission-ready. At 6.5 by 3 by 2.6 inches, it stays compact. Small footprint, serious protection, maximum convenience. Perfect for hikers, campers, hunters, and EDC users. Also ideal for anyone tired of bent frames. This is more than a glasses case. It is portable armor for your everyday vision. Protect, organize, and access with tactical confidence. Choose ONETIGRIS for eyewear storage that works hard. Gear up your glasses case today. Number 6. Last hike. My EDC exploded everywhere in my backpack. Flashlight? Multi-tool? Map? Keys gone when I needed them most? I wasted minutes digging through a messy, overloaded bag. That delay felt awful when every second mattered. Then I found this FRTKK tactical admin pouch online. The rugged Molle design instantly caught my attention. That laser-cut front panel looked seriously premium and practical. Plus, it comes with a US flag patch. The tactical keychain was an unexpected cool bonus too. I loved the compact size. Easy, portable, and tough. The 1000D nylon felt made for real field use. Water-resistant material means my gear stays protected. The double zippers open fast and lay completely flat. Now I can see everything at a glance. Inside, the mesh pockets changed everything for me. Elastic bands hold pens, tools, lights, and other essentials. No more loose items rolling around or disappearing. The front pocket gives me quick access on the move. Bottom loops even secure my tourniquet and cord. Molle straps let me attach it anywhere I want. Backpack, vest, belt, or dog vest done instantly. It became my grab-and-go organizer for every outing. Hiking, driving, duty carry, or everyday EDC missions. Everything finally has a place, and I move faster. That means less stress and more focus outdoors. If your gear matters, why risk another messy carry? Wouldn't you rather stay organized and ready today? Tap in now and upgrade your loadout immediately. This pouch is the smart buy your gear deserves. Number 7. Hiking before sunrise. My small gear kept spilling everywhere. Flashlight, keys, and multi-tool vanished inside my overloaded backpack. I wasted minutes digging while everyone else kept moving. Then I found this compact Molle pouch online. The rugged, tactical look instantly caught my attention. 2 pouches, 2 flag patches, and 4 carabiners included. That bundle already felt like serious value. But the 1000D nylon really sealed the deal. It feels tough, scratch-resistant, and built for abuse. The water-resistant inner lining made me trust it. Rainy trails no longer threaten my essential gear. The size is perfect for everyday carry essentials. At 6.5 inches tall, it stays compact. The Molle back buckles attach instantly to my pack. Now it rides outside, ready in seconds. I even clipped it onto my suitcase for travel. The front Molle webbing holds my pen and flashlight. Quick access finally replaced frantic pocket searching. The Velcro flag patch adds personality and style. Honestly, it makes the pouch look even sharper. The dual zippers glide smoothly and stay quiet. No rattling, no fumbling, just clean access. Everything now has a dedicated place. No more clutter bouncing around during hikes. No more losing small tools in my bag. This pouch keeps my daily essentials locked down. For hiking, fishing, camping, or travel, it just works. If your gear matters, why keep carrying chaos? Grab this 2-pack now before it sells out. Upgrade your carry today and stay ready everywhere. Number 8. When emergencies strike, speed decides everything. This IFAK trauma kit keeps you ready. Built for outdoor, tactical, and rescue missions. Compact enough to carry, powerful enough to matter. Inside, you get essential trauma supplies for fast response, including a genuine cat tourniquet for severe bleeding control. Trusted by the U.S. Armed Forces. That means proven performance when every second counts. You also get compact twin-pack hyphen chest seals, designed for dependable chest wound management. They help create an effective, occlusive seal quickly, preventing air and fluid from worsening the injury. The kit also includes trauma essentials for versatility: gauze, dressings, tape, gloves, and more. Everything organized for rapid access in critical moments. The Molle-style pouch makes attachment simple and secure, perfect for backpacks, tactical gear, or vehicle storage. Its rugged black design handles demanding environments with ease. Lightweight, durable, and built for real-world use. No wasted space, no unnecessary bulk, just readiness. From hiking trails to military operations, it delivers. From first responders to prepared everyday users, it fits. When accidents happen, organization saves precious time. When bleeding starts, the right tools save lives. This kit upgrades your response with professional-grade confidence. It turns uncertainty into immediate, effective action. It turns a backpack into a life-saving resource. For protection you can trust, choose this IFAK kit. Be prepared before the emergency arrives. Add it to your gear today. Stay ready, stay equipped, stay protected. Number 9. Looking for one kit that handles real emergencies fast? This EVERLIT 250-piece survival first aid kit delivers. Reason 1. It covers injuries, accidents, and trauma basics. Bandages, dressings, scissors, tweezers, and more are already packed. That means less panic when every second counts. Reason 2. It adds real survival tools too. Flashlight, glow sticks, poncho, blanket, fire starter, and whistle. So you're ready for camping, hiking, storms, or car trouble. Reason 3. The pouch is built for speed and durability. Molle design, tough nylon, water resistance, and easy grab access. It stays organized in backpacks, vehicles, and home storage. That compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere. For campers, this is a smart trail companion. For preppers, it strengthens your emergency readiness fast. For families, it brings confidence during unexpected moments. You get medical essentials and survival gear in one kit. No scrambling for separate supplies during an emergency. No bulky bag taking up your entire trunk. Just grab it, open it, and respond quickly. Designed by survival-minded experts, it feels thoughtfully put together. The contents are practical, not random filler. That makes a huge difference when real life gets messy. If you hike, camp, drive, or prep ahead, listen up. This kit belongs in your pack, car, and home. It is the kind of gear you hope never to need. But when you do, you'll be glad it's there. Don't wait for an emergency to realize you're unprepared. Add this 250-piece survival first aid kit today. Protect your next trip, your family, and your peace of mind. Tap now, get prepared, and stay ready for anything. Number 10. Tired of backpacks that fail outdoors? Too small? Too weak? Too uncomfortable? You need gear that actually keeps up. Meet the REEBOW Gear Military Tactical Backpack. Built for hiking, camping, hunting, and survival. A true 40L pack for 3-day missions. Size is about 13 by 20 by 11 inches. Plenty of room without feeling oversized. Made with durable 600 by 600 density fabric. It's water-resistant and ready for rough conditions. Heavy-duty zippers handle daily use with confidence. Double stitching adds extra strength where it matters. Molle webbing runs throughout the backpack. Attach pouches, tools, or extra tactical gear. Customize it for your exact trip. Side and front compression straps keep it stable. No awkward shifting while you move. Padded mesh back support improves airflow. Shoulder straps stay breathable and comfortable. Long treks feel easier on your body. Hydration-compatible design supports a water bladder. Stay ready without constantly reaching for a bottle. From range bag to day pack, it adapts fast. One backpack, many outdoor uses. Before, cramped space, weak zippers, sore shoulders. After, organized carry, rugged build, better comfort. That's the difference practical gear makes. If you hike, camp, or survive outdoors, upgrade now. Choose the REEBOW Gear Tactical Backpack today. That wraps up our ultimate tactical backpack loadout, under $300. With the right combination of storage, emergency preparedness, and everyday utility, you can build a reliable pack without breaking the bank. Whether you're organizing your gear with Molle accessories, carrying a quality first aid kit, or adding practical tools for daily use, every item on this list is chosen to deliver solid value for the price. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone looking to build a smarter, more capable backpack loadout.